How to buy Hilton Honors points. Hilton Honors points can be purchased to top up your account for free hotel stays, room upgrades, and other travel rewards. Here's a structured guide on how to buy Hilton points safely and efficiently. What are Hilton Honors points? Hilton Honors points are the loyalty currency earned through Hilton hotel stays, credit card spending, and promotions, redeemable for free nights, room upgrades, and travel experiences. Why buy Hilton points? Buying points is useful when you're short of points for a specific redemption, want to take advantage of promotional bonuses, or need to secure bookings during peak seasons when cash rates are high. How to buy Hilton Honors points. Log into your Hilton Honors account, go to the Buy Points section, select the amount you need, and complete the purchase using a valid payment method. Cost of Hilton points. Hilton points are typically sold at a standard rate per point, but frequent promotions offer bonus points or discounts, making the purchase more valuable. Annual purchase limits. Hilton sets a limit on the number of points you can buy each calendar year. Check the current limit in your account before making a purchase. Take advantage of promotions. Hilton often offers promotional deals with bonus points or discounted rates. Buying during these periods provides better value and enhances your redemption options. Best uses for purchase points. Use purchase points for high-value redemptions such as luxury Hilton properties, peak season bookings, and room upgrades to maximize their value. Risks of buying points. Points can devalue over time due to program changes. Avoid buying points without a specific redemption in mind to prevent potential losses from devaluation. Maximizing value from Hilton points. Redeem points for high-end hotels, extended stays, or during high-demand periods when cash prices are high to get the most value from your purchase. Buying Hilton Honors points can be a strategic move for enhancing your travel rewards. Always purchase through your Hilton Honors account, take advantage of promotions, and use points wisely for maximum benefits.